The pancreas is small but mighty. When it doesn't work properly, sugar builds up in the blood, which can lead to diabetes and other serious health problems. But diabetes is only part of the story. The pancreas also helps digest food and control energy your body uses every day. This powerful organ is called the pancreas. It sits behind the stomach, is about the length of your hand, shaped like a soft curved leaf divided into head, body, and tail. The pancreas has two main jobs. It helps digest food and controls blood sugar in the body. After meals, the pancreas releases enzymes that break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. These enzymes travel through a small channel, called the pancreatic duct. Once they reach the intestine, these enzymes help turn food into nutrients your body can absorb. Inside the pancreas are clusters of cells called islets. They produce hormones that flow directly into your blood to keep sugar levels stable, that release hormones directly into the blood. Insulin is a hormone that helps move sugar from the blood into cells, giving your body energy and keeping blood sugar from getting too high. Glucagon is another hormone. It works the opposite of insulin, raising blood sugar when it gets too low, keeping energy balanced all day. Together, insulin and glucagon act like a team. They make sure your blood sugar stays steady, so you always have the energy you need. These tiny clusters of hormone-producing cells are called the islets of Langerhans, and they play a critical role in controlling blood sugar. The islets constantly sense sugar levels in your blood and release the right amount of hormones to keep everything in balance. A network of arteries and veins delivers oxygen and nutrients to the pancreas, helping it work efficiently every second of every day. The pancreas doesn't work alone. It works closely with the stomach and intestines to digest every meal properly and provide usable nutrients. It also talks to the liver, storing sugar when there's too much, and releasing it when your body needs extra energy, keeping your metabolism steady. Because it affects digestion, sugar balance, and energy, the pancreas impacts your whole body, helping every organ function properly. Sometimes the pancreas becomes inflamed, a painful condition called pancreatitis, which can make digestion difficult and affect your health. If the pancreas doesn't produce enough insulin, blood sugar rises, causing diabetes, which can damage organs, nerves, and overall health if left untreated. Pancreatic cancer is another serious disease. Tumors can disrupt digestion and hormone release, making early detection very important. Unhealthy habits like poor diet, too much alcohol, or chronic illness can stress the pancreas, reducing its ability to digest food and control sugar. Eating healthy foods, exercising regularly, and avoiding excess alcohol can help your pancreas stay strong and perform all its important jobs. From childhood to old age, the pancreas works continuously, digesting food and regulating blood sugar, quietly supporting life every day. Every time you eat, the pancreas releases enzymes and hormones. This ensures food is broken down and energy is delivered to your body efficiently. Most of the pancreas work happens silently. You don't notice it, but it keeps digesting food and regulating sugar every moment of the day. The pancreas digests food, controls blood sugar, and keeps your body's energy balanced. When your body's under stress or illness, the pancreas works harder to maintain blood sugar and digestion. Comparing a healthy pancreas to a stressed one shows how lifestyle and illness can affect its ability to work efficiently every day. At the cellular level, acinar cells produce enzymes, while islets produce hormones. Together, they keep digestion and blood sugar running smoothly. The pancreas uses ducts to deliver enzymes to the intestines and blood vessels to release hormones, making sure the body gets nutrients and energy. Even though it's small and often overlooked, the pancreas quietly powers your life every day, keeping you healthy, energetic, and alive.